welcome to Teacher Using Google Tools. Today's topic is Basic Introduction to Creating a Google Site. I'm your host, Joe Barnard. Today we're going to cover how to set up a Google site, how to add text and images, and how to create a new page. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome here. Maximize it. And you're going to want to sign in. There's two options to sign in here, the top right, or on your taskbar it says Gmail. Go ahead and type in your username and your password and sign in. Once we're in our Gmail, we're going to look for a Google tool called Sites. Sometimes it's located up here in the toolbar. It's not, so we're going to go ahead and find it under More. I don't see it here, so I'm going to go to Even More. And now we have access to all our Google tools. Let's go ahead and scroll down, and it's located right here under Sites. Now we're in the Google tool called Google Sites. In order to create a Google website, we're going to go ahead in the top left here and click Create. There's a few options that you need to set up before having your Google site. One is a template. I suggest using the blank template here. You're going to name your site. Let's call this Tutorials by Joe Barnard. You have an option to select a theme. Choose whichever you like, but just remember you can change the theme at any time. And options. You might want to describe your site, and down here it says share with everyone in the world, or only people I specify can view this site. Let's go ahead and choose that, since we'll be sharing it with our students, not to the entire world. And lastly, you're going to want to type in the code, the security code. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and click Create. And now we have a Google site. The next thing we're going to want to do is to type in some text. Whenever you want to type in text, you just click on this pen tool up here. It will say Edit Page. And let's go ahead and make a welcome page. Welcome to Tutorials by Joe Barnard. And just like if you were in a Word doc, you have the option up here to change the size of the text. Say we wanted it a little bigger. Make it a little bigger. Say we wanted to make it bold. Or we wanted to change the color. All your options are right up here to change the text. Next, we might want to add an image. In order to add an image, you're going to go up here to the top left, click Insert, go to Image, and you're going to choose a file from your computer. I have a nice Simpson avatar of myself that I'm going to choose here. Open it up and click OK. Now, say we don't want the image to be on top of the text here. We can click on the image and put it to the left or to the right. We can choose to make it smaller, medium, or large, or the original size. I like the original size, so I'm going to keep that. And then you have an option to wrap the text around the image or not to wrap it on. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap so that we have the text right up top there. Once I have it the way I like it, I'm going to go ahead and go up to the top right and click Save. And there we have image with a welcome to tutorial by Joe Barnard. Once we're happy with that, we might want to add a homework page. In order to add a new page, we're going to go up to the top right here, and right next to the edit tool is add a new page. Go ahead and click that. We're going to name our page homework. And click create. Oh, I misspelled homework, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. And click save. And as you can see, your homework page is right underneath your home page on the left side here. If we want to go back to the home page, we click that. If we want to go to the homework page, we can click that. Just as we had added text, we can add it, edit, and say tonight's homework is whatever you want to type in, save it, and now you've got a new homework page. Alright, well, this concludes our basic introduction to creating a Google site. Let's review what we've learned. We learned how to set up a Google site, how to add text and images, and how to create a new page. Additionally, if you want to contact me, my name is Joe Barnard. You can reach me at joebarnard1@gmail.com and find out information about new tutorials on our website, https://sites.google.com/site/tutorial by Joe Barnard. Thank you very much.